Hello friends, day 92, and I've had a smashing day today. I've come out of Inverness, climbed up the long, fairly gentle for the most part, hill out of Inverness, which goes on for about 10 miles, up into the forest, and I am now on the Great Glen Way, and I can't tell you how much better it is than the John o' Groats Trail. I know I keep going on about the John o' Groats Trail, but it is so nice to be on the Great Glen Way, which is marked properly, has nice, well-defined paths, no barbed wire trying to rip your arm off and tear your rucksack. It's just so much nicer. And I had lunch at the Abriachan Eco Cafe. I'd heard a lot about this place, and some good, some bad, and my experience was all good. I think possibly if you just want a cup of tea, then don't bother going there, because what you get when you go there is one option, which is what they call a light lunch. 20 quid buys you soup, cheese, oat cakes, piece of lemon cake, and a hot drink of your choice, a bit of fruit. It really nice, but it's not your standard cafe. They certainly are quirky people, and I like quirky people. So see you on the trail. Hello!
Hi there. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. Where are you off to?
We're off to Inverness. We just come from Fort William on the Great Glen Way, actually. How about yourself? Where are you going to then?
I'm going to Land's End.
Oh yeah, I can see your t-shirt. That's pretty good.
I'm Alex, this is Georgia. We're just having some lunch at the Abriachan Eco Cafe. If you're doing the Great Glen Way, fantastic, highly recommended. All we ordered was tea and coffee, and we've ended up with an entire table full of cake and sweets and all sorts. So yeah, great value, good people. Just been sat chatting to the pink hat man. Didn't get his name, we were talking for about 45 minutes. But yeah, it's good stuff. Come visit it when you try.
So I'm back in the forest again tonight. Well, not the same forest, but a different one. And I'm sort of on a track. So what I've done, I don't think any vehicles have been down here for years, but I have put a log across just in case.